Hey guys, this is Sean from SeanAther.com, and today we are going to perform some benchmarking test on Infinix Zero smartphone. Infinix Zero comes with 1.4 GHz octa-core processor. There are two versions, 1 GB of RAM and 2 GB of RAM. The one we got here is having 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB internal memory. The screen is having a 5-inch HD screen protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. So let's perform some benchmarking test and let's see the scores we're gonna get to check the performance of this device. So today we are having 4 benchmarking apps, as you can see here. These are AnTuTu benchmarking, Basemark OS II, Quadrant Standard, and Geekbench 3. Out of these, we have already performed the AnTuTu benchmark and Basemark OS because these two tests are time consuming tests. They take lots of time in performing them. So just to reduce your time, just to save some of your time while watching this video, we have already performed this test. So let's go and check the score. Here is the AnTuTu benchmarking, and as you can see, the score we got is 28,140. So if you check here, you can see that our device is here, that is 28,140 for Infinix Zero, which is higher than HTC One but a bit less than LG G3. So you can get the better idea that how good the Infinix Zero is going to perform comparing these devices. And let's go back to Basemark OS. So here is the result which you can see. So the overall score is 514 for the system, that is which considers the hardware specs and everything. It is 1107 for memory read write, it's 367 for graphics, 306, and for web browsing it's 561. So the main thing, the main concern is here is the overall score, which is 514. And now let's go back and do some real-time test. So let's start with Quadrant Standard first of all. I'm just connecting it to Wi-Fi, and now let's go. So as you can see, this test is also all about the CPU, the memory, the input output speed, the 2D graphics and 3D graphics. So let's wait and watch how good or bad our device is going to perform in this test. Right now the graphics test is going on, as you can see here. And the frames we are getting is around 60. um, you can see it's not coming correctly here, it's at the bottom left corner. So the test is over, and here we go. So this is the score of our device, that is 2633, which is much better than the Nexus one. As you can see, actually it is showing the list of few older devices like Motorola X, Motorola X 2.2 Plus, HTC Evo. So these are some old devices, but if you look at the bar of the chart, you can see the performance of Infinix Zero with respect to rest of these devices. So you can expect that it's going to be a good one. And let's perform today's last test, which is going to be the Geekbench 3 test. So the Geekbench 3 test is about to finish, and it is finished now. So the score for single core performance is 369 and for multi-core is 2091. Here is some of the information about the device, as you can see, about the processor, about the RAM. Here you can see that 2 GB RAM, 1.4 GHz octa-core processor. The Android version uses Android 4.4.2. And then let's go the comparison. For the single core, our device is scored 369. So if you go down in this chart, in this list, you can see the performance of our Infinix Zero is less than Samsung Galaxy S3 but a bit better than Asus Nexus 7. So which is not that great considering Samsung Galaxy S3 is pretty old device now. But let's go to multi-core and let's check the performance here. Okay, so when it comes to multi-core performance, Infinix Zero is doing pretty nice because the score is better than the Samsung Galaxy S4, as you can see here, which is having Qualcomm Snapdragon 600 processor, and our Infinix Zero scored 2091, which is a bit less than LG Nexus 5. So it's going to be a good one in when it comes to performance. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos and hands-on reviews like this. Have a nice day.